students, today we are going to discuss the last topic of class 8 science chapter 15 and the topic name is seismograph. The tremors produce waves on the surface of the earth. These are called seismic waves. The waves are recorded by an instrument called the seismograph. The instrument is simply a vibrating rod or a pendulum which starts vibrating when tremors occur. A pen is attached to the vibrating system. The pen records the seismic waves on a paper which moves under it. By studying these waves, scientists can construct a complete map of the earthquake as shown in figure below. They can also estimate its power to cause destruction. The diagram given below is the diagram of an seismograph, an instrument which measures earthquake and the epicenter and map of the earthquake. Protection against earthquakes. People living in seismic zones where the earthquakes are more likely to occur have to be especially prepared. First of all, the buildings in these zones should be so designed that they can withstand major tremors. Modern building technology can make it possible. It is advisable to make the structure simple so that it is quake safe. Consult qualified architects and structural engineers. In highly seismic areas, the use of mud or timber is better than using heavy construction material. Keep roofs as light as possible. In case the structure falls, the damage will not be heavy. It is better if the cupboards and shelves are fixed to the walls so that they do not fall easily. Since some buildings may catch fire due to an earthquake, it is necessary that all buildings, especially tall buildings, have fire fighting equipment in working order. In the event that an earthquake does strike, take the following steps to protect yourself. If you are at home, take shelter under a table and stay there till the shaking stops. Stay away from tall and heavy objects that may fall on you. If you are in bed, do not get up. Protect your head with a pillow. If you are outdoors, find a clear spot away from buildings, trees and overhead power lines. Drop to the ground. If you are in a car or a bus, do not come out. Ask the driver to drive slowly to a clear spot. Do not come out till the tremors stop. So dear student, all the topics of chapter 15, some natural phenomenon, is completed. Thanks.